see my vice shit, right? What I used to use this for. Chop up vegetables. Alright, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back. This is The Hard Truth with John Joseph. We had a little hiatus. I ran into a hiccup. My fucking producer quit. Now I got Jeff, racist, propagandist. He had to take it back to punk rock to get this shit right. So, anyway, a little bit about what's been going on, because I ain't seen you motherfuckers in like months. Very busy, very busy. We filmed a documentary out in LA, myself, Paul DeGelder, and Kip Anderson. It's called 30 to Life. And we took parolees who did the average 20, 25 years in some of the worst prisons in California. We put them, they were in Amity Foundation in LA. We worked with Kip Anderson. We put him on a plant-based diet for 30 days, meditation. Paul had him jumping out of fucking airplanes. I mean, it went deep. And so that's going to be probably coming out at some point, a documentary series, I think, because we have so much footage. And keep your eye open for that. The other thing is, I did a bunch of podcasts. Joe Rogan. It's 1152, the episode. So if you get a chance, go check that out. I did Rich Roll's podcast. And most importantly, the new book came out, The PMA Effect. This is a lifetime of fucking hard knocks, man, in the school of hard knocks. And it's all the stuff I do on a daily basis. I pick the brains of some real badass motherfuckers, both men and women. How they get their shit done. It's already in its third fucking pressing. The PMA Effect, if you don't know what that stands for, positive mental attitude. This is, what am I? I'm 50, I'm turning 50 fucking 7. This is 57 years of fucking lessons in the school of hard knocks. I had to learn the hard way and a lot of shit. So I picked the brains of some badass motherfucking, both men and women, how they get their shit done on a daily basis. This book you can get at thepmaeffect.com. And, you know, I'm not as dumb as I look, man. This is my third motherfucking book. In case you guys don't know, that's my memoir. We are working on adapting it for film. And the classic that had every fucking feminist hating me, which I don't give a fuck because the lessons in here are invaluable. Meat is for pussies. And if you ain't down with the New York street slang, step the fuck off. I'm not calling anybody a pussy. What I do say is if you don't change and start adapting to what's in this motherfucking book, you're going to become a pussy dependent upon the pharmaceutical companies to keep you alive. And if that's what you want, don't fucking get the book, because this is going to change your whole fucking way of thinking. So look, one of the lessons in this book and what I tell people, because I get a lot of emails, people hit me up online and everything. Oh, I did this, I fucked up, yo, I went and I got drunk, you know, I fell off my diet, I stopped trading. Listen, none of that matters. What matters is you get back on the motherfucking horse and you keep going. Slipping up and giving up is two different things. We don't want to give up. So pick your ass back up, dust yourself off, get back on the motherfucking horse, and keep going. We're gonna get started on this. I'm making a pad thai, which is a great dish. I want to introduce you to somebody. Yeah, I see. This is Vlad. He is the owner of where we're shooting today, which is
Organic Grill.
Organic Grill. This is my dude right here. I tell everybody to come check out this restaurant when they come to the city. People that are newbies in this whole shit, whatever. This is one of the places that I highly recommend. The food's great, the service is great. Alright, so here we are. It's the big kitchen takeover today. And we're in here. This is the kitchen of Organic Grill. So look what we got over here. We got all our ingredients. And so this is the pasta. This is the pad thai pasta that we're using. Organic. So we gotta boil this. But the first thing we're gonna do is add our minced garlic and put that in the frying pan with our tofu. And again, I'm going to give you the recipe. But basically what this is one 10-ounce package of motherfucking tofu. And when you dummies ask, I'm just fucking around. What do you eat? Tofu. Yeah. But tofu takes on any motherfucking flavor that you cook with. So we're doing tofu and garlic. So we're killing it here. So we want to get this a little brown. And the thing is, you gotta sit there and watch your food. You don't walk away in the kitchen and go check your fucking email and go online and watch the game. You pay attention to what the fuck you're doing and you put some consciousness into your food. Just to get crispy, brown on all sides. And we're getting there. So we're gonna let it brown up a little bit. We got our water going for the pasta. And it's a process. So look at that, look at that, look at that. Garlic. Guaranteed to give you bad breath. Well, garlic is actually very healthy for you medicinally. There's a lot of good properties in garlic. Actually, it's known to lower cholesterol. And I know this is a food show, but there's health doctors. When you go to Hippocrates and these other places that treat disease naturally, you know that they give you fucking garlic suppositories. Can you fucking believe that? Sure. Oh yeah, that's Tamari. So we keep everything going here. We want it to brown up real nice. Our water's ready already. So this is what's fucking people up. Soy is not the problem. Now, are there better forms of soy? Sure. You can eat edamame. You can eat tempeh. But this is a recipe. So pull the stick out of your fucking ass. You don't have to have a stick up your ass. Live a little and have fun. There's too many stressed out motherfuckers that do this diet. Listen, it's all about taking a deep breath, stepping the fuck back, and enjoying life. I got skills to pay the bills. That's what's up. Look, we're getting nice and crispy on this fucking tofu. Organic peanut butter. Look at that garlic, man. There's the enzyme is called keolic. So, you know, when you eat over-processed shit, it kills that live enzyme that's in garlic. That's the shit that lowers your cholesterol and all that shit. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna throw this in. This takes 10 to 15 minutes. Close in on this. We got our broccoli. You know, we don't overboil that shit. Usually I steam it, but we're under the gun today, so we're gonna do it this way. Where's that oil? Give me that oil. And I like to put just a drizzle of fucking oil when I make pasta. Why? Because we don't want the pasta to stick. So you mix that in a little bit. That tofu is almost fucking done. So this is gonna take 10 to 12 minutes for this shit to get right. We got all our ingredients laid out. When you're cooking, don't be all over the fucking place. You lay out all your shit, you measure it out, you get everything there, and you make it easy. You don't sit there and have all your shit and trying to be gathering it while you're cooking. That's not the way you do it. It's attention to detail. Everything's laid out. Everything's fucking measured. Look what I'm doing. Make your life easy. Life's difficult enough. You don't need to be stressing in the kitchen. I don't want to eat your food if you're all stressed the fuck out. You're gonna get agita. You know what that? I got Italians out there that love me. Big shout out to Cousin Joe. And this is how you test your broccoli. Oh! It don't get better than that. Imagine if you had me in your kitchen non-stop, everybody would quit. You could eat all the motherfucking food you want and be healthy. Think you're eating healthy. You know what? You gotta exercise. So in this bowl, this is gonna be our dressing that we're doing this with. I got the peanut butter, the lime juice, coconut sugar, and a little bit of the tamari. You wanna whisk this together. Our tofu is done. Our steamed vegetables are done. Now here's the thing about spinach. This is washed, but you can mix this right in with the dish. The broccoli is already done. So we just cooked it a little bit so it's soft. Right? The spinach, you don't need to, you could just fold the spinach into your dish when everything's done, and it's gonna be fucking perfect. You don't need to overcook shit. You don't overcook greens, man. You don't overcook your vegetables. I tell the story. When I first learned how to cook, I was the roadie for the Bad Brains in '81. So we used to cook the yacht, and everything got cooked in one pot. You guys are fucking lucky. You got Happy Cow. You got all this shit. Restaurants, health food stores. We didn't have none of that. We actually brought out a bag of fucking rice, a bag of beans, and then we get vegetables, and we brought out tahini sauce. So everything would be cooked in one huge fucking pot. And we would put the beans in first, then we would put the rice, then we would put the the potatoes, and then the greens up top. And everything would cook in one fucking pot. You guys don't know how lucky you got it now with all this fucking plant-based food. Alright, it's come a long way in years, and you don't need to listen. I don't have a stick up my ass about, oh, he eats fake meat. Big fucking deal. Would you rather kill fucking animals and destroy the fucking environment? There's all this great plant-based meat now. You know, I'm gonna tell you a funny story. Cookie from the Misfits is my boy, and he always tells this shit. The drummer that was on Walk Among Us. He's like, yeah, I love that motherfucker's food, but don't let him in your kitchen. Nobody would let me in my kitchen because I was a novice. Part of being a cook is cleaning your shit as you go. That's the whole thing. Now, I clean as I go. Bada bing, bada boom. Ooh, look at that. Not overcooked. Boom. Where's my kitchen assistant? Chef of the future. All right. So we're mixing all of this in here now. Our spinach. I'm gonna give you all of the mixtures on this, so you don't have to worry. And you do need to make sure all your pasta is covered with your mixture, right? And if you really want to get crazy, you can add other vegetables too. See how the spinach is cooking down? Look, the steam is cooking that spinach right now. We'll add a little more of our shit in. Jeff, are you gonna fucking be my guinea pig? What's up?
Let's do it.
This also calls for Sriracha. We're gonna have it in Mugasi. Say BAM! Holy shit! Now we got our tofu going in, nice and crispy. Bada bing, bada fucking boom. You got your fucking Sriracha. Holy shit. Ho! And if you're one of those motherfuckers that like it really spicy, you can, where are you? Get over here. Come here. Nah. Come here. I want you to look at this. What do you think?
Very nice. Colorful, nice.
colorful. We got greens. And you want to really fucking, you know, mix it up. Because now you got the tofu in there. And tofu is going to take the flavor of anything you cook it with. Oh! Throwing the fucking peanuts in there. Look at that. Look at that. That's what's up, guys. Woo! Have a nice meal. Have good energy. You could get high off of good food, man. You don't need to fucking eating meat and all this alcohol and poisoning stuff. What do you think, fellas?
Super, super good.
It's so good. We didn't overcook the noodles. Look at that. All right, I'm going to leave the recipe for you. I'm going to shoot Jeff. Give me that fucking camera.
All right, let's
come here. Bring your girl over here. Now I'm getting behind the camera. Look at you. Call me fucking Martin Scorsese. Are we recording?
We're filming.
Sit down over here. Get over here.
We're filming.
All right. This is John Joseph from The Hard Truth behind the camera. Sit down, Jeff.
Oh.
All right, let's go.
This motherfucker, he's all over the place. Raise fist propaganda. I'm not having any. Just give it a whole bowl. What? Jeff,
Getting some clips.
check it out. This is Jeff. Raise fist propaganda. How is it?
Not bad.
Yo, motherfucker.
It's pretty good.
You're gonna get fired after one episode if you talk shit. The shortest fucking career ever.
And this is how it ended up.
This is how I
Amazing,
treat everyone.
Amazing.
It's all love. How is it?
Delicious.
This
All
is
right.
outstanding.
Make yourself some fucking pad thai.
Tofu.
Get it done. How is it?
The tofu.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, baby. All right.
Really good.
Signing off. Come in to Organic Grill. John Joseph, The Hard Truth. Stick with me. We're going to keep doing this shit and keep it going and making great food and dropping some knowledge. Peace out, everybody. See you next time. Boom.